What's going on, guys? So I'm having a fair bit of computer problems. It's telling me to reboot and select my proper boot device. I'm getting critical processing died errors, blue screens. I'm gonna have to send the computer back to the manufacturer for repairs. So depending on how quickly I can get that sent out and brought back, uploading will not be for probably a little while. I'll still be streaming on Twitch at twitch.tv/bravado. Uh, I'll be doing like Xbox games, community nights. One of my mods is taking over community game nights for Saturdays at 8 p.m. And then our movie nights are still going to be going on Sundays at 5 p.m. all Eastern Standard Time. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's happening because I have no idea what to do. I'm pretty down in the dumps about it. I was actually editing a video before my computer went foobarred. Anyway, I appreciate your guys' support. I hope you bear with me and stick through it. Make sure to join our Discord. I'll post a link into the description. Make sure to check out my Twitch. I'll be doing Xbox well, for the foreseeable future until this stuff gets figured out. Anyway, yeah, thank you guys.